Hello there, this is Chile, this is number 139, and why don't we just get started? Because it is Tuesday, and the sun is shining, and I'm going to job, to my work, in a very short time, half an hour from now on. I will be riding my tiny, little car for my job, earning some money, so I can have something to eat, so I can pay my bills. That's what I'm gonna do. 139 times. Yeah. Legalize marijuana. Yeah. Anyway, have a very nice day. Thank you very much.